Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. My name is Jati Putri Hoirunisa from Diploma of Nursing at University Asia Bandung. In this meet, I'll explain my excitement from my English lecture about skill 6 TOEFL where question. I hope you enjoy and you can learn from this video. First, you can see in this table for identify the question. How to identify the question? Where the passage. Where to find the answer? The question usually tells you in which line of the passage the word or expression can be found. How to answer the question? Number 1, find the word or expression in the passage. Number 2, read the sentence that contain the word carefully. Number 3, look for the context clue to help you understand the meaning. Number 4, choose the answer that the context indicates. I hope you can understand about this identify table. So we can move in this example about skill 6. The question number 1, where in the passage does the author define the word capital? As you can see in the fourth line, capital is the location for the center of government. So in that passage, we can know the answer for the number 1 is C, line 4. We move to the next question, number 2. Where in the passage does the author mention where the U.S. capital can be found? In line 6 to 8, we can know in the passage thus, in the United States, for example, the Capitol building is located in Washington, D.C., which is the capital city of the United States. So, the answer for question number 2 is D, line 6 to 8. After we find the answer example skill 6, now we must move to the next stage for exercise of skill 6. Passage 1, question 1 to 3. The question number 1, where in the passage does the author mention what hits the water in a geyser? A geyser occurs when rainwater seeps into the ground and volcanic magma beneath the surface hits the rainwater, then turns into steam. In that passage, we can know the answer for the number 1 is A, lines 1 to 2. Question number 2. The author indicates how often Old Faithful erupts in fifth line. The most famous of these geysers is Old Faithful, which erupts in a high arc of steam about once an hour. In that passage, we can know the answer for the number 1 is the number 2 is C, line 5 to 6. Question number 3. Where in the passage does the author state how long it has been since a volcano erupted at Yellowstone? There have not been any volcanic eruption in the Yellowstone area for 70,000 years. In that passage, we can know the answer for the number 3 is See line 7. So that is for my video about skill 6 TOEFL. Please forgive for my any mistake. May all those I have shared be beneficial for all of us. Thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.